Hi everyone, my name is Claire L, and I'm a rising sophomore at Basis Independent Silicon Valley. This is my second milestone for my prank tissue box. I chose my prank tissue box because I wanted to learn more about sensors and electrical wiring. For my second milestone, I added in the motors and the wheels, as you can see, and I also made sure that if the ultrasonic sensor detects a certain distance from it, which is 10 centimeters in this case, the motors will turn. So I'll show you a demonstration. So as you can see, the motors are moving, and yeah, and if it's at a certain distance, further than the distance 10 centimeters, then it won't turn. Um, my this is I attached the wheels on the motor. You can easily take it off and put it back on. The motors actually are connected to this DCM driver. The DCM driver um, actually controls the speed and like how much it turns, how much the motor turns. And this is the input of the motors, and this is the output. So it's connected by wires. So then it will turn. Um, Another thing I learned about DCM drivers is that there's a voltage regulator in here. The voltage regulator actually regulates the voltage. Yeah. And to prevent the DCM driver from overheating and things like that. Some challenges I had was that I had a hard time wiring. Sometimes I wired in the wrong spots, and yeah, it caused some issues. But I eventually figured out like what was wrong and how it went. Another issue was that sometimes this won't connect to my computer. For example, sometimes the ultrasonic sensor would give like 0 centimeters, just like previously. So I solved that issue by using another USB cable because mine was kind of faulty. Um, Another issue I faced was the coding. I learned a bit more about coding, and I modified some code to make sure this would work. What's next is that I'm gonna assemble this all together and add like the shell kind of to make sure like the motors will like attach to the box. And yeah, that's pretty much it.